Welcome to the channel. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today I'm going to go over what I think is one of the biggest and best airdrops you guys need to be focused on right now, and it's super simple to do. But first I want to update you guys on what I'm doing with my money. I'm making a big shift in my investment strategy, and I want to show you why. So first thing I want to show you guys is I made this video and uploaded it on December 5th, 2022, okay? And this was showing you how to buy Bitcoin daily, all right? I do have a referral link if you still want to do that. I still think it's a good idea, but I want to show you guys what was going on December 5th with the price of Bitcoin. So this is the full chart of Bitcoin. Look at December 5th. Let me see if I can get it right on there. Yeah, close enough. So that was the exact low of Bitcoin. We dipped under $17,000. It's not a coincidence that I said to start buying Bitcoin every single day at that low point. Okay? I knew that it might have been a little bit lower, but I knew that the bottom was basically in, and that's when you want to buy. When everyone's scared, when there's blood in the streets, that's when smart people start buying. Now, I've been buying $20 of Bitcoin every day for the last year and a few months, okay? So we've hit our all-time high, okay? Now we might do a 2x or a 3x from here, but I am shifting, so I'm going to stop buying Bitcoin every day. It's still a good thing to do, especially if you're new in crypto. Don't get bamboozled by all these meme coins when you're new, okay? I've made a couple videos on memes, but I'm just taking profits from my more solid coins that I've been buying, during the bear market to maybe have some fun with meme coins, and I buy a couple $100. But I'm just seeing so many new people getting in, and they're treating like this is a casino, and they're just buying meme coin after meme coin, hoping they're going to hit the lotto. Okay, please do not do that, guys. Okay, that is not smart money. Just go to the casino and bet it all on black if you're going to do that. So I will now be buying $20 of Bitcoin. I'm sorry, $20 of Ethereum a day, because I think Ethereum is about ready to go on a tear. I mean, it's been down, it's gone down a little bit. So I'm hoping it will dip some more. Okay, we still have not hit our all-time high of almost $5,000. All right, and I think Ethereum is going to have, maybe a 4 or 5x even. But primarily, I want to get more Ethereum to get new tokens when they hit Uniswap, because that's where a lot of the new tokens are, and you want to get in those early to get the mad gains. So I'm buying $20 of Ethereum a day. My short-term plan right now is I am just parking the money here, guys. Okay, this is Blast. It's a layer 2 on Ethereum. So if you're just getting started, you're going to want to watch this video first. I made it 12 days ago. It has 507 views, okay? Now, I don't know if people said, well, I just don't bother because there's only 5 days to take action. That was just to get qualified for one of the tiers, okay? This airdrop is going to be going on until May, okay? So this is just what I'm doing with my money. I think the safest, best, easiest play right now is to just buy Ethereum and park it on Blast and wait for the airdrop, okay? You don't need to make cryptocurrency complicated, especially if you guys, are still working and you have other stuff to do. But here's what is disappointing, guys. Okay, 507 people have watched this video. You can go to my invites, okay? About 20 people signed up, 0 people bridged Ethereum, okay? So out of 500 people watched it, 20 people signed up, nobody took action, okay? Don't do that, all right? I'm not saying you need to put in as much as I have or thousands of dollars, but at least $100, $200. You're just parking it in Ethereum, or even USD is paying out 15%. So if you're not going to bridge, please do not sign up, okay? I don't know why people do this, all right? So I show you everything to do. You're going to have to bridge, and I show you the basic setup in this video, and we go through a few things. Now, what I'm going to do today is, you can see, because I took action, I got Blast Gold. So your airdrop amount will depend on your Blast Gold and your points, that I'm earning 105 per hour. And I mean, what is this, like 3 to 4 grand? Okay, so I don't have a ton of money in here, but I'm going to continue to add to it as I'm buying that Ethereum every day. So we're going to use DeFi Llama to see which ones we want to get into. And I want to show you guys this of why I'm telling you, you want to take action on this. Okay, let's go to the chains. So DeFi Llama shows us where is money parked in cryptocurrency. As you can see, the undisputed leader is Ethereum, which is why I want to get as much Ethereum as possible. Now, I believe Tron is garbage. I don't know who uses that other than criminals. Okay, but other than that, you got Binance, BSC at 6%. So, I mean, Ethereum is just dominant, and most of these are Ethereum layer 2s. Arbitrum, Polygon, Blast, Optimism, Base, those are all Ethereum layer 2s. So really, this is even bigger than 57% because of the layer 2s. Now look at this, guys. These are the top 10 protocols. Okay, Blast is 8, and it's not even out yet. Okay, it's already overtaken Optimism. It's been around for like a year or two. It's already more than Coinbase, which is a new and upcoming one as well. It's close to Polygon. Polygon's been around forever. And it's just, you know, all it needs is a couple, you know, probably in 2 days, it goes over Polygon. And then the next one's Ethereum. I mean, guys, the number 8 cryptocurrency in volume locked has a free airdrop that all you need to do is park Ethereum or USD on. Please, please take action in the next 3 months. All right, so we're going to click on Blast. And we can see here, we want to focus more on the top chains that have, you know, actually total value, some money locked in them. So here, there isn't a way to click on any of these, but you can kind of see, obviously, you don't want to come down here and do anything that's not paying out yet. So we're going to focus on these ones. And I would actually do, well, like this one's paying out gold, but they've already given out all their gold. But these ones that haven't given out their gold, but they've been giving out points, that's what I'm going to focus on. They just got their gold distributed to them, so they're probably working on like how to do it and, you know, all the details of that. I guess these guys must have just like chucked it out to everyone, but they haven't given away any points. So these top ones are where we're going to focus on. I can't go through them all. As you can see from my first video, I've gotten some points from there. All right, so I'm going to go down the line here of DeFi Llama. So we've already done Orbit. If you want to add more to that, you can. The first one we're going to focus on is Ring Protocol, since it's number 2, and it's very simple. So you're going to click on the one you want to do, and then you click here for their website. Okay, so we come to ring.exchange. We're going to click on Get Started. And up in the top right, you'll see Connect. That's where we're going to connect your wallet. I would highly recommend using Rabby. I don't like MetaMask. All right, so you can see it's telling me my total amount here, and we can click on Earn Blast Points. So deposit your liquidity provider tokens to receive Ring Point. So you can see here they have golds and blast points to give out. I mean, the first thing we can do is just do some swapping. So, you know, you can see here, you know, we can just kind of do this back and forth a few times if we want to. So I can, let's do $1,000. And again, you guys can come in here with 20, 50 bucks to do this. So we're going to lose a little bit on the slippage. So maybe I'll just do 500 since I'm going to do it back. Okay, we'll swap it, confirm swap. We're going to have to first enable spending. So you can see this is costing 11 cents. As they say, you got to spend money to make money. Allow USDB to be used for swapping. And this is 35 cents. Which tells me this must be getting a lot more traffic, because when I did my first video, it was like a penny. All right, So let's refresh this. It might take it a second to update. There we go. So now if I wanted to, I could just go back to USDB. Well, it'll take a little out for, or no, I just want to do 0.1. Or no, I did more. Because I did 500, right? All right, I don't mind having a little more Ethereum right now. So I'll go ahead and swap that back. And this one's 22 cents. Okay, so this one wouldn't be horrible to do an LP on. I guess we can do a little bit. So we're going to come to pool, add liquidity, USDB. Let's get at least like 100. There we go. So we're going to do a liquidity pool of 0.03 ETH and 100 USDB. Why is that not letting us? Oh, there we go. So it takes a minute. You'll have to approve USDB. And then we'll hit supply, confirm supply. $0.12, confirm those. I love how quick Blast is. Okay, now we can go back to earn. And we're going to deposit it. Okay, and it'll take a minute for it to show up, and then you'll click deposit LP tokens. We have 1.72. We'll hit max, approve it. And the nice thing about this stuff is, like, once you learn it, it's pretty much always the same no matter what chain you're on. Like, I've never used, provided liquidity in Blast, but this functions almost exactly like QuickSwap on Polygon that I've used a lot. But they're all pretty much the same. You might just look a little bit different. But once you get it down, it's like riding a bike. Okay, we submitted there. So you can see here, we're going to be starting to earn points, which is what we want. So we'll come back to earn, and let's deposit some Ethereum. Oh, I like how it shows you your points. Well, let's not spread ourselves too thin. Let's just do that. Okay, we did that. Come back to earn. Put in some USDB. Okay, now we'll deposit it. Now, if you guys want to take the time, or what would probably be best, is you want to set up a schedule to do your air farming. So I try to do mine once a week. So when I come back here, I'll do another transaction. Kind of the golden rule is you want to get $10,000 of volume. So if you can just kind of, trade things back and forth a little bit, I don't get too crazy buying meme tokens or something. But if you're just swapping between ETH and USDB, come and do, like I did 500 one way, 500 the other, that's $1,000. So if you do that 10 more times, you got $10,000 of volume. So that is good for Ring. So we'll do one more together. This Pack Finance, they did give out a lot of gold and no points. So actually, I think I'm going to skip them for now. I'm going to do this Blast Futures. Let's see if that's on here. So this one hardly has any or very low, but it is going up. It has 7 million right now. I kind of like futures markets too, because you can, it seems like they always give out the most airdrops. And we can take just a little low leverage position in Ethereum that could turn into a lot. So I've never used this before. So typically we can just click MetaMask and Rabby will open up. And it'll switch to Blast automatically. All right, sign and verify. Okay, so it does look like there's some sort of referrals thing. So I'll probably have a link down below if you guys want to put this on here. Okay, so that'll be the referral code that's down below. So I believe we're going to probably have to deposit something. Okay, so let's just do 100. So we'll first enable USDB. And now we'll deposit $100. Okay, so we can just click on Start Trading. Come to Trade. We can look in our portfolio. They have some news and stuff here. So let's see here. Okay, this is probably where we select our market. So wow, they have a lot of options for a DeFi. You can even do BOEM. I'm going to do a long on Sui. So I think that has a lot of room to grow. And as you can see, it's been coming down. Okay, so let's see here. So you can click to do, you know, that would be $100. So let's just do 25%. Okay, then we can leverage. Don't do anything crazy. Let's just do a 3x. Do we hit buy now properly? So you got basically your quantity here, which I'm assuming you could put in what you wanted. Okay, so let's do 20. So 33 bucks. You shift your leverage here. And as you can see at 3x, we have a buying power of $300. Actually, let me make yeah, that's good. Okay. So basically, I want to get it to where I have $100 of exposure by a 3x, but I'm only putting in 33. So now we'll click buy. Confirm buy. Looks like they have a vault. Let's see what this is. You're just providing liquidity for, you know, people to long and short. So let's put in 100. Enable USDB. We'll stake it. Now I really am impressed with how many tokens they have here. This is very expansive for a DeFi perp dex. Yeah, this is super simple to use, fast. So I could definitely see this getting a lot more than 7 million. I think we're pretty early. And then again, I'll put my referral link down for this if you guys want to do that. So I'm not going to make this video too long, but what you guys can do is basically, you know, I would make sure, I wouldn't do anything that has, you know, below, I'd probably cut it off here at Blaster Swap. So I'd stick like the top 24 that you want to play around with. And then just look on here to see which ones are paying out the most. And like I said, I wouldn't go past here because they haven't given anything out. So super blurb badlers and above. So if it's on here and it's on DeFi Llama, I would go ahead and do it. If it's not, I wouldn't risk it or bother. All right. So again, guys, I think this is going to be one of the biggest airdrops in history. I think Blast is going to destroy all the other layer 2s. I mean, they'll still exist, but unless they can change and they get native yield, and again, native yield, guys, just means if you have Ethereum or USDB on this chain, you're earning interest. Most of the time, you have to lock up your Ethereum or then get like liquid Ethereum to be able to use it. But that just gets more complicated. This is simple. Bring your Ethereum on here, get 4%, and you can use it wherever you want or withdraw it whenever you want. So again, the link to join this is down below. If you're not going to bridge any Ethereum, don't use the link because I only get so many people on my team. And then until we reach whatever Ethereum amount put in, I don't get any more referral links. So if you sign up and you do nothing, you're hurting me, okay? Help yourself, sign up, at least bridge over $100, guys, all right? And because I'm going to be doing this every week. I want to get as many points as possible. This is what my main airdrop I'm focused on because it's clearly defined with the points, and I think it's going to be an absolute banger once they get released. All right, lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.